today's episode, we're gonna be making some delicious chilaquiles. First, we're gonna need some tortilla chips. We're also gonna need 3 chiles guajillos, 7 chiles de arbol, sliced white onion, 2 tomatoes, chicken flavored bouillon, knorr suiza is my favorite brand, 1 avocado, queso fresco, 4 eggs, and some olive oil. First, we're gonna start off by making the sauce. Go ahead and put your 2 tomatoes, then add the 7 chiles de arbol. For the chiles guajillos, you wanna go ahead and open them and remove all the seeds. Once you're done doing that, go ahead and pour the water, and we're gonna bring this to a boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Once you see the skin peeling, that's how you know the sauce is ready. To start blending it, we're gonna add the chicken knorr suiza. While that's blending, let's go ahead and saute some onion. Add only half of the sauce and let it boil. Then start adding the tortilla chips. Once you're done adding the tortilla chips, go ahead and add the rest of the sauce. And here comes my favorite part, the cheese. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it, set it aside, and let the cheese get nice and melted. And finally, we're gonna fry our egg that goes on top. Go ahead and do your eggs however you like. My personal favorite is sunny side. Start adding your sides. I added some avocado, and if you want your chilaquiles with a little extra sass, go ahead and add some cilantro. Okay, so thank you everyone for stopping by my channel again. I was so happy to make this recipe, and I was also so happy that some of you guys suggested it on my IG. I asked for recipe suggestions or any requests, so a lot of people mentioned chilaquiles, and chilaquiles is actually one of my all-time favorite breakfasts. It's so easy to make and it's so good. You get so full with it. If you cook this for like your whole familia peluche, I would recommend to do the boiled eggs, just because those are easier to like do for a big family versus the huevos estrellados. But huevos estrellados are my favorite. Let's go ahead and dig in because I can't wait to eat it. A lot of people don't like the runny yolk, but when I was a kid, I used to not like it, and then later on, as I started trying more foods, I actually really do like it. I think it's like, oh, it's so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna grab a little bit of everything because everything in this plate, just all the flavors complement so good, like the chilaquiles with the eggs and then the avocado, and then I sprinkle some cilantro because I love cilantro. I don't know about you guys, but I like my chilaquiles crunchy. I don't like them when they're extra soggy, so that's why I don't make a lot of sauce and I don't let them cook for too long. So once again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you all enjoy this super easy breakfast recipe. It's one of my favorites. Like I said, this is my favorite time of the year. As you guys can see, my Halloween decorations. I love Halloween, and I go a little bit crazy on the decorations. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys might be interested in some DIYs. I did do most of the decorations myself, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So let me know down below if you guys might be interested in that. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, comment down below, and also turn on that little notification so that you guys get notified whenever I do new videos, okay? Talk to you guys next time. Bye!